So what are the learning objectives of this practical? So after completion of this topic, learner should able to understand the mechanism of ingredients of PSS, means understand the various mechanism of PSS ingredients, then evaluate various components of PSS. Then next, learning outcome, analyze the salt content in PSS. What are the various salts content in physiological salt solution? Then create various types of PSS. And next one is apply knowledge for preparation and evaluation of each type of PSS. So these are the various learning outcomes of experiment number 1, that is preparation of PSS. Learning outcomes. So let me discuss about the experiment. So aim of today's experiment, that is to study various physiological salt solution in isolated tissue preparation study. So this is our aim of experiment number 1. Then next one is a reference. So there are 2 references for experiment number 1, that is for preparation of PSS. That is a book, S.B. Dhade and Book of Experimental Pharmacology, Studium Press Private Limited, New Delhi, page number 81 to 83. And second reference, that is S.K. Kulkarni, Handbook of Experimental Pharmacology, Vallabh Prakashan, New Delhi, page number 10 to 11. So these are 2 references for preparation of PSS. So next, requirement. So there are 2 kinds of requirement, that is glasswares and chemicals. So glasswares, it required beaker, measuring cylinder, stirrer, glass rod, etc. And the chemicals are various chemicals useful for preparation of various physiological salt solutions, that is sodium chloride, potassium chloride, sodium bicarbonate, sodium dihydrogen phosphate, potassium dihydrogen phosphate, then glucose, magnesium chloride, magnesium sulfate, and last one important, that is distilled water. So these are the requirements for performing preparation of physiological salt solution. Okay. So let me discuss about the theory of PSS. So physiological salt solutions, in short it is known as PSS. These are the aqueous solutions which are used to keep isolated tissue or organ preparation surviving as long as the experiment is over. In PSS, nothing but any kind of solutions where we can alive the organ, isolated organ becomes alive in this physiological salt solutions. Okay. So that PSS, which contains a mixture of cations, anions, glucose in distilled water. So it is the theoretical part, physiological salt solution, which consists of a mixture of cations, anions and glucose in distilled water. Okay. Next one is that, so it is important to choose a particular type of PSS solutions in which the tissue known to survive, means each kind of isolated organ or tissue which consists of various or different type of PSS, physiological salt solution. Okay. And the next important thing for next important theory behind this PSS is that if that performed PSS becomes turbid, then we have to prepare a fresh PSS solutions before starting the experiment. Okay. So this is the theoretical part behind our experiment number 1, physiological salt solution preparation. So let me discuss the types of PSS. So there are various types of physiological salt solutions. So physiological salt solution, first one is a Frog-Ringer solution. It is the first type of solution, Frog-Ringer. Then Ringer or Ringer-Locke solution. Then D-Jalan solution. Then Tyrod solution. Krebs-Hanslet or Krebs solution. And last one is a McEwan solution. So these are the 6 various types of physiological salt solutions. Okay, frog ringer, ringer Locke, D. Jalen, Tyrod, then Krebs Hanslet, then McEwan. These are the various types of physiological salt solutions which may be useful for performing various kind of pharmacology experiments. Okay, types of PSS. So next we will discuss about the compositions of some PSS, or whatever I have discussed these various types of physiological salt solutions. Then what are the various components or compositions of that physiological salt solution? We will discuss compositions of all physiological salt solutions. So that column indicates a compound, this column indicates a frog ringer solution components, then this column indicates a ringer solution component, then this D. Jalen, Tyrod, Krebs and McEwan. So first of all we will discuss about frog ringer solutions. So what are the components of frog ringer solutions? So frog ringer solutions, it requires 6 gram of sodium chloride, then it consists of 0.14 gram of KCl, then it consists of 0.12 gram calcium chloride, then it consists of 0.2 gram sodium bicarbonate. It also requires glucose 2 gram, and all these ingredients components may dissolved in 1 liter of distilled water. So this is frog ringer solution. Then second one is a ringer Locke or ringer solution. It requires sodium chloride 9 gram, potassium chloride 0.42 gram, calcium chloride 0.24 gram, sodium bicarbonate 0.5 gram, then glucose 1 gram, and that make up the final volume up to 1 liter by distilled water. Then next one is a D. Jalen. Next physiological salt solution, D. Jalen. So it requires NaCl 9 gram, potassium chloride 0.42 gram, then calcium chloride 0.06 gram, then sodium bicarbonate 6 gram, then glucose 0.5 gram, and all these ingredients may dissolve in distilled water, and final volume make up to 1 liter. Then next one is a Tyrod solution. So Tyrod solution, what are the components of Tyrod solutions? So NaCl 8 gram, then potassium chloride KCl 0.2 gram, calcium chloride again 0.2 gram, then it required magnesium chloride, that is in concentration in between 0.01 to 0.1 gram, then it required sodium bicarbonate 1 gram, then sodium dihydrogen phosphate 0.05 gram, then glucose 1 gram, and all these ingredients components dissolved in distilled water and make up the final volume up to 1 liter. Then next one is a Krebs Hanslet solution. So Krebs, which consists of 0.9 gram of sodium chloride, then 0.35 gram of potassium chloride, then 0.28 gram calcium chloride, then 1.28 gram magnesium sulfate, 2.1 gram sodium bicarbonate, then 0.16 gram potassium dihydrogen phosphate, and 1 gram of glucose. So all these ingredients may dissolve in distilled water and make up the final volume up to 1 liter. And last physiological salt solution, that is McEwan physiological salt solution. It consists of 7.6 gram sodium chloride, then 0.42 gram potassium chloride, then 0.24 gram calcium chloride, then 2.1 gram sodium bicarbonate, then 0.16 gram sodium dihydrogen phosphate, then 2 gram glucose, and 4.5 gram sucrose. So all the ingredients may dissolve in small quantity of distilled water, and that make up the final volume up to 1 liter. So these are the various compositions of different physiological salt solutions. Okay, so compositions of some physiological salt solutions. So next we will discuss the procedure of performing that preparation, physiological salt solution preparation. So weigh all the required ingredients accurately and dissolve except calcium chloride in small quantity of distilled water. Means by weighing the all ingredients as per the formula. Weigh the all ingredients accurately except calcium chloride and dissolve in small quantity of distilled water. So next one is that dilute this solution with distilled water up to 80% of final PSS volume. After dissolution in small quantity, then make up to 80% with distilled water. Then if required, filter it to get a clear solutions. If see any particles, then filter it to get a clear solution. Then calcium chloride. So dissolve calcium chloride in small quantity of distilled water in another beaker. We have avoided calcium chloride addition before because calcium chloride in presence of sodium bicarbonate produces a insoluble complex. So for avoiding that complex, we have to dissolve calcium chloride in another beaker, and before starting the experiment, add calcium chloride solution in main PSS solution dropwise with continuous stirring. Okay, so this is the procedure of performing physiological salt solution, and if that physiological salt solution looks like a turbid, then fresh physiological salt solution will be prepared before starting the experiment. So this is the procedure of performing physiological salt solutions. So now we will discuss the role of ingredients used in preparation of PSS. Because we have seen in formula there are a number of components present in that formula. So let me discuss what is the role of each ingredient of that components which may useful for preparation of PSS, that is physiological salt solution. Okay. So what is first one is the sodium chloride. So the role of sodium chloride is to maintain isotonicity of the solutions, means maintain the same osmotic pressure as equal to our blood plasma. So that is sodium chloride. Role of sodium chloride to maintain isotonicity of the solution. Okay. Next one is the potassium chloride. So what is the role of potassium chloride? To maintain ionic balance. So potassium chloride which produces relaxation of heart, then neurotransmission, as well as it maintains the ionic balance. Okay, so that is the role of potassium chloride. Next one is the role of calcium chloride to increase force of contraction and tone of heart and decrease excitability of nervous tissue. So that is the role of calcium chloride, means it increases force of contraction as well as tone of heart muscles, that is produces positive chronotropic and positive inotropic effect. So that is calcium chloride, role of calcium chloride. Next one is the role of sodium bicarbonate. So sodium bicarbonate which is useful to provide a alkaline pH, means it maintains a pH as equal to our body fluid pH, means we have to maintain the pH of PSS up to 7.4. Okay, that's why sodium bicarbonate may be useful to provide alkaline pH. Next one is a sodium dihydrogen phosphate and potassium dihydrogen phosphate. Both act as a buffer for maintenance of again pH up to 7.4. So that is potassium dihydrogen phosphate and sodium dihydrogen phosphate. So next one is a magnesium chloride. So magnesium chloride which is useful to stabilize the tissue preparation. So for stabilization purpose, that magnesium chloride may be useful in our preparation. So magnesium chloride. Then next one is glucose. So glucose, last ingredient, that is glucose. So glucose which is useful as a energy source for energy to the tissue. Okay. So these are the various PSS ingredients, role of ingredients in physiological salt solution. Okay. Now last is the uses of various preparations. Now we will discuss what is the use of Ringer solution, what is the use of Ringer locate, etc. We will discuss about that. So uses of various physiological salt solutions. So in that, first one is a frog ringer solution. Frog ringer solutions. The use of frog ringer is which is useful for isolated rectus abdominis muscle of frog, as well as frog heart preparation. Then it is also useful for leech dorsalis muscles. So whatever the experiments performed on frog heart and frog abdominis muscle, as well as leech dorsalis muscle, for that purpose we have to use frog ringer solution. Then second one is a ringer loci solutions. So ringer loci solutions may useful for rabbit heart perfusion and amphibians tissue. So that is second one, ringer loci solution. Then next one is a D-Jalen solution. D-Jalen solution, which is useful for rat uterus, duodenum and colon. Isolated rat uterus, then isolated duodenum and colon may be performed by using D-Jalen physiological salt solution. Next one is a thyroid solution. So thyroid solutions, which is useful for isolated ileum preparation of guinea pig, then ileum preparation of rabbit, as well as ileum preparation of rat. That all isolated preparations performed by using thyroid as a physiological salt solution. Next one is a Krebs-Hansen solution or Krebs solution. So Krebs-Hansen solutions, which is useful in isolated preparation of guinea pig tracheal chain, then rabbit aortic strip, then rat fundus preparation. It also useful for sheep trachea preparation, then vas deferens preparations. So that is use of Krebs-Hansen. Okay, Krebs-Hansen useful for guinea pig trachea chain preparation, then rabbit aortic strip preparation, then rat fundus preparation or sheep trachea preparation, and also vas deferens preparation. Okay, so these are the use of Krebs-Hansen solution. Then last one is a McEwan physiological salt solution. The McEwan physiological salt solution, which is useful for isolated preparation of cecum of guinea pig preparation. Then it is also useful for skeletal muscle preparation. Okay, so these are the various uses of different kind of physiological salt solution. It may be frog ringer, ringer loci, D-Jalen, thyroid, Krebs-Hansen and McEwan solution. Next, physiological salt solution. Okay, so thank you very much.